my name is Elrican A. Aguado and I'm from COE186P-ACT5 and this is activity number 5 entitled Humidity Sensor. So first, the things that we need are a humidity sensor or the DHT11, uh, for the part 1, that's all we need, and the breadboard, of course, and some jumper cables. So this should be connected to the here on the Arduino board, so you can see. And then let's start coding. We can do is that go to Sketch, include library, and manage libraries. And then here we can search for DHT11 to look for some examples. So here we can check this simple THT and go to Sketch. Go to File, Examples, and then simple DHT. Then DHT default. So here we can see, we can close this now. You can see here that the code is given here, and we can change some here that we can remove this and put it here in the setup and put temperature and the humidity data. Then here we can put some delay here so that it will not be so fast, and we don't need this serial print sample. Okay, so everything is good. So let's verify this. This is just the part 1, so we're only checking with the serial monitor. So it's done compiling, so we can now upload the codes to our Arduino board. Since it says done uploading, you can now see here in the serial monitor. Oh wait, there's some errors. Here that the THT is located at pin 2, so we should connect it in the breadboard. So this. Oh, this, and then connect it with some jumper cables. So the negative part should be connected to the ground, of course. And then the middle one should be connected to the digital pin number 2 as it says in the code. And then the positive side will be connected to the 5 volts. So now we can check here if it's working. Wait, let's upload it. Do I have the right connections? Yes. It's done uploading. So the error is it's here in the serial begin, so it should be 9600. Okay. So that our software can show it in the serial monitor. So here You can see the 33 degrees Celsius and 69 for the humidity. So that's it for this part 1. So in part 2, we're gonna connect the humidity sensor in the and the LCD. So let's start. First, we should get our LCD here. So it have a connection here, and connect the ground, VCC, SDA, and SCL to the Arduino board. So the SCL and the SDA should be connected in any analog pin, but I prefer putting it in A5 and A4. And then the ground and the VCC should be connected to the ground and the VCC, of course. So the ground is the brown one. So we can see that the LCD has lightened up, but it doesn't have anything yet. Okay, so since we have our HT11, can connect it. So should connect the HT11 to the Arduino to the ISCP. So take in mind that the green one is the positive side, so it should be the nearest to the Arduino Uno or to the digital pins. So wait, I'm gonna connect this now, and that's it. So it's connected. So now we can have our new file. Yes, yes, yes. And then here, file. I mean, sketch, add file, or wait, sketch included library, liquid crystal like to see. So this will be the code. So you can see that the LCD is here, and it has a delay of 1 second, the gate output and low, and the pulse in. So that's it. Let's check our if our code has some errors. So it says that we don't have any errors, so we can now upload it to our um, Arduino board. So it's done uploading, and now we can see here the temperature in the LCD, but you cannot see it. I don't know why. There you go. It says temperature is 33 degrees Celsius and the humidity is 69%. So that's it for this activity. Thank you.